Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, I'm Jay from ThaiPod101.com. Do you know how Thai people celebrate New Year's Day? In this lesson, you will learn some important phrases about the Thai New Year and some valuable cultural tips. In Thai, New Year's Day is called ปีใหม่ ปีใหม่ On ปีใหม่ Thai people greet each other by saying สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ This means Happy New Year. When we meet someone for the first time in the new year, be sure to greet them with this phrase. Thai people visit a very special place around the New Year's Day, which is the temple or wat. On December 31st, people will go to their local wat to listen to preaching. There are several popular temples that Thai people often go to, including Wat Phra Kaew and Wat Kalyana The most popular activity during the New Year's Eve is praying all night long until the break of the New Year. On this special day, Thai people exchange ของขวัญ ของขวัญ These are gifts. On January 1st, most Thai people take time to be with their family and friends and enjoy festive activities. One such activity is drawing a lot for gift exchanges. Okay, let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what you have learned. Listen to the words and repeat after me. New Year's Day ปีใหม่ ปีใหม่ Happy New Year สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ Temple วัด วัด Gift ของขวัญ ของขวัญ Well done! Here's a fun fact. Do you know what is the history behind the popular activity on New Year's Day of sending greeting cards? Actually, Thailand did not originally have a tradition of sending cards, but they adopted this cultural practice from foreign countries after the late Ayutthaya period. The greeting cards come in the form of paper with written and printed images. You just learned how Thai people celebrate New Year's Day and some important facts about the holiday. If you want to learn Thai twice as fast, just click the link in the description and download tons of PDF lessons for free. I'll see you next time. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everybody! On ปีใหม่ Thai people greet on ปีใหม่ Thank you.